Welcome to Park Clinic.
Hi there. Welcome to the lab.
Are we close? I see it! We're here! Let's go! Soccer time! I'm scoring first today! Not if I stop you! Let's win this! She said my name! They love me! I have fans! Why only me? Achoo!
Hello, Lali. Put these on so we can see what's going on.
What? Or who is that?
That's just Achoo. He's what we call pollen.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Pollen is something naturally in the air.
I helped. I help.
You'll be just fine, Lali.
Thanks, Dr. Park.